Welcome back everybody, Automotive Inc. Today we're going to do a quick little video as I get this question asked all the time. Is using tow haul mode at any given point or when you're towing, is it actually bad for your transmission? Is it bad for your truck? Before we get going, please smash the subscribe button, helps a small channel out, thumbs up and notification bell. So in most trucks, you're going to see a button similar like this. This button actuates the tow haul mode. You can see my little trailer down there, right guys? Well, Ram and Ford both have a similar thing. All I can tell you is there's plenty of mechanics I've talked to over the time. This is a tool to help you keep your truck in the shift points and the right throttle response and everything when you're towing a trailer. It will not damage your trailer. Matter of fact, if you like harsher shift points and longer shift points, you could drive in this empty. The truck really doesn't know that it's not towing anything. But you will not damage your truck by using this. This is set up through the manufacturer, has been for years. It is a good tool to have. I like using it for towing, especially when you have a diesel. It does help with that exhaust brake and engaging that no matter what year you have. And you know, just a lot of people ask me, they're like, is that a bad thing to use? Is it damaging my transmission? Because it does have harder shift points. And the quick answer and the easy answer is no, guys. It's really not. Really, the worst thing you can do for your transmission is just not check your maintenance. Do everything you can on it. If you're going to be upping your horsepower and doing all kinds of stuff and tweaking it, that's worse for your transmission. Unless you're going to get a custom built transmission to hit your modifications that you have on there. Using tow haul mode is not bad for your transmission. And you know, like I said, hard shifting, rolling while you're shifting from reverse to drive, that's bad. That it probably won't damage it right away, but if you make a habit of that, it can. So there's a lot of other ways they'll actually damage your transmission than using the tool that the manufacturers gave you. So I hope that helped, guys. When it comes to tow haul mode, feel free to use it. Feel free to use your little shifter buttons wherever they're at while you're using tow haul mode. Again, it's a great tool and it won't damage your vehicle. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Catch you on the next one.